Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to recover access to your Google Analytics account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Google Analytics. Now, what you need to do guys, is go and check out what we have in front of us. In the top left side, we have the Home, Reports, Explore, and Advertising. And also, guys, we have the Admin panel. And also, we have in the top right corner, we have everything about your channel, about your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and recover access to your Google Analytics account. First of all, what you guys need to do is go and contact them and explain that you have lost access to your Google Analytics account or property ID. So basically you just need to go to the support, which is, as you can see, we have here the help center. Go at more help, click on there, and you can then go and ask them about that. Then give them your ID, which looks something like UA/20654137/1. And then they will email the registered account stating that you are trying to access it. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.